Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Prestone tensong minta kasngi ke Hnlc tarik unok pra arajar Plie. Jingïakren bat kinong thok hubor hak bede bet Jingïakren ya sup bat ka Hnlc trap National Liberation Council ula penpau ya jing scam bakin la ban pendep ya gani ka kam. Nakal yang usumbut Menteri Rangba ula banjur de ka baong badon kam ni ke Jingïakren lang bat penpau bakan baha ya kinong elam ba hakmat do Jong ka Seng Hnlc bakin wan syakmat Jingïakren harengkat ki kesiang jong Sorkar jela bat ke Sorkar pedeng Jingïakren ki mat bapher hakami Shusho nakal yang usumbut Menteri Rangba uloong ba don kam ni kinong elam ka Seng ban wan syakami jong ka Jingïakren nakabenta Jingïakren bat ka Sorkar ka Plie ya ka Jingkhang kinong elam ba hakli do jong ka Seng ban wan Jingïakren ki senjam ki ban shim la ka Jingïakren kan dei hakasin ka baar ni ka balai ka basaw badru ka basan bat kumta terter kat hado banda orlong ka Jingïakren.
All these issues can be discussed across the table when the senior most leaders of the Hnlc along with our interlocutor from the state as well as from the central government sit across the table, discuss, then come up to the government what are the recommendations. It should be that way.
So the government stand is you'll only discuss with the senior leader about amnesty.
I've already told you.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Sorry?
You will only
Top leaders, not only senior leaders,
Yes.
top leaders of the Hnlc. Let me still keep requesting this. Top leaders of Hnlc. The door is open for discussion. One round of formal talk has happened. We would like to see the second, the third, the fourth, till we reach to the conclusion.
So has there been any communication from the end now?
No, so far no, not yet. We are yet to receive. Because see, if they do, I think it will come through their interlocutor again, because they have already sent to us officially that whatever communication they'll do it through Mr. Sarangla, and then it will come to their